guys, it's Clancy and that was really weird because I'm a weird person and that's just the way we do it on this channel. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I just got home from work and okay, I had a cold. Actually, you guys know I've been talking about it because all I do is complain like a week or two ago, but I keep having like a phlegm in my mouth, in my throat. And I feel it right now, and also this morning at work, I felt it. I started talking, I had to read a whole thing, and like, I don't know, I didn't want to like stop in the middle to have to clear my throat, so like the whole time I was like that. I decided in this video, okay, if you guys ever notice when I'm talking, I always am just picking up things and talking. Like I was just holding this brush, and then now I had to hold this because I'm weird. But a huge comment or question I've been getting a lot lately is, Clancy, are you doing Vlogmas this year? Can you do Vlogmas this year? And the answer, the sad answer, this sounds terrible, is no, I'm not doing Vlogmas, and no, I cannot do Vlogmas. For me, guys, I want to do Vlogmas so badly. For those of you who don't know, Vlogmas is when you vlog every single day in September leading up to Christmas. But it is physically not possible for me. Keep in mind, I am a working gal. I work usually up to 9 hours a day, and where I wouldn't have time to vlog, film, edit, and upload every single day. If you think about it, first of all, like someday, maybe one day, I will bring you guys with work to me. Like if you want to see what it's like at work, just follow my Facebook and my Twitter. I post videos on there all the time, basically vlogging just on Facebook. A link will be down below, and also Twitter. And a little bit, you know, behind the scenes on Instagram as well. Definitely follow me there for that. But at least right now, I'm not trying to like whip out my vlog camera while I'm on the job, especially I'm not going to do it if I'm at like a crime scene or something. So scratch the idea of me vlogging every day at work because that's just not possible. I wouldn't have time, especially like when I come home, you know, it's not like I'm vlogging my day. There'd just be me talking, and then I would have time to edit all of that and then upload all of that. It'd be too much. And I'm the type of person, if I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it. Like the idea of me doing Vlogmas day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then not finishing, oh my gosh, no, that's just not in the cards for Clancy Burke. I am not the type of person. So yeah, I know myself. I know that it would just put so much stress on me. That's not to say that I'm not gonna vlog in December, especially guys, super exciting. I booked my plane ticket home for Christmas break, kind of. That's not Christmas break. I feel like I'm in college. This is my first time not having Christmas break, actually. But for those of you who don't know, when you work in the news business, it's a known fact you are going to miss holidays. I have had to work every single holiday up until now. Everyone, you know, you name it, from the 4th of July to Thanksgiving. It's just a thing. The news does not stop on holidays. However, this holiday is a little bit different because Christmas falls on a Monday, and we actually don't have a morning show on Christmas. So I am off on Christmas. And not only that, because it falls on a Monday, I'm also off Saturday, Sunday, and basically it just added up to the fact that I know for a fact this will never ever happen again in my career, or at least in my young career. It's the young people who have to work on the holidays and stuff. I'm off for Christmas, and I can go home for Christmas. I'm off for Christmas, guys. Like, that is insane. That, like, does not happen. That is unheard of. So I'm super excited. I fly home on the 22nd. And then I come back on the 30th. I kind of have to cut it a little bit shorter than the days that I actually have, because I'm actually emceeing a New Year's Eve event, which I've never emceed an event before, so we'll see how this goes. But no, so that is what I am doing, and I am freaking excited to go home. It's gonna be great. I've gone home once in the past 6 months, which is crazy. That's the longest. Like, normally in college you go home like literally like at least I did. There was always something, Thanksgiving and then Christmas and then Easter, like there was always something. So yeah, I'm excited. And actually, you know what? This would be a great idea, a great time to insert my clip of what I did today. I can insert a couple
clips. This Sunday, children with
autism
autism are going to be able to visit Santa in a safe and comfortable environment.
The Dayton Mall launched the Sensitive Santa program 10 years ago, and it has since expanded to malls around the world.
Fox 45's Clancy Burke joins us from the mall to tell us how and why the program was created. Good morning, Clancy.
Good morning, Megan. So the mall is looking a heck of a lot different than you're probably used to. We have stores closed, dim lighting, But that's the point, and I want to show you right over here is Santa's Village. It's also looking much different than you're probably used to. It's a lot quieter, dimmer lighting, and most importantly, it is sensory
Good morning,
friendly.
Elise.
I'm not just in the Dayton Mall, I'm in Santa's Village. Who doesn't love Santa's Village? And kids will come not just here, but they will also walk on over to Santa's, I would say chair, but this is kind of more like a couch, a throne, if you will. Sit with Santa, and then normally he might use a toy like this. He might squeak it, but for children with autism, that's a very big deal. It's not comfortable with them. And I want to show you these. These are candy canes, and for you and me, we might think they're pretty, they're nice, lighting up, but for kids with autism, they simply can't handle it, and that is exactly why this program was created. Megan, right now I'm standing in front of K Jewelers, and every kiss might begin with K, but every happy child begins with a visit to see Santa Claus, and that's exactly why I am headed towards Santa's Village right now, which if you ask me is basically the happiest place on earth, and I'm going to go ahead and do the honors. I've always wanted to do this. Oh, and then we can walk. So if you're interested in the event, you can come out here to Santa's Village at the Dayton Mall from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock a.m. this Sunday. And we'll have all of that information online over at fox45now.com. Just click under the local tab. For now, back to you guys in the studio.
But yeah, so actually right now, soon, Rachel, you guys know Rachel, my coworker, not my friend, we're only coworker, no, I'm kidding, is picking me up. We're going ice skating. And I'm going to take you guys along because we're probably not going to be filming while ice skating because I don't want to break my camera. It's too precious. But I'll take you along because we'll hear from Rachel. Rachel and I actually just got lunch and then came back to change into, actually, that's what I should be doing right now, to change into civilian clothes because, oh, this actually was unbuttoned. And fun fact, guys, my hair is getting way too long right now, I feel. What length do you guys like my hair? I'll ask you guys. I feel like you guys have good feedback. I'm too scared to get a haircut because they always mess up my hair. So I'm just, it's growing. I love how it's not even long for most people, but for me, this is like long. But let me know. Well, what are your thoughts on my hair length and what it should be and the cut and all of that? You guys know better than the freaking hairdressers. What is up, my people? We are here with the Rachel.
Hey, Rachel.
How are you, Rachel?
I'm great, because tell them what we're going to do.
Already told them.
Oh, you told them already?
Yeah.
So she told you I'm going to do figure eights around her?
No.
While she falls on her face on the ice.
No. Who is that?
I don't know who that
That
is.
guy. Panhandlers, by the way, guys, in Dayton. You hear about all those panhandlers?
I'm riding with one.
What? No. So panhandlers basically, wait, it's like this, but not this. All right, so you see how this is all great. Don't look at me, guy. He's standing there with the Payless sign. Well, it's like that, but they beg for money. And it's a big controversy. But yeah, so I'm hyped. Are you excited? It's the weekend.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
When's the last time you went ice skating, Clancy?
Last year.
Last year.
Yeah, last year.
A little longer.
I told you, but everyone was like, wow, that Clancy flying by. I was the fastest one at the
You were
ring.
not flying by.
Literally, I was soaring.
Clancy.
I remember it.
You were not flying by.
I was flying, soaring, cruising. High School Musical, did you watch that?
No. No, I did not. I was one of the few.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding. I couldn't get into it.
So do you not know the song like I'm flying,
No.
soaring,
Don't sing.
there's not a star, and people tell me I'm like a young Shania Twain. It's weird.
I think you tell yourself you're a young Shania Twain. I don't think anyone else does.
Because right now we are gliding on I-70. Is it 75 or 70?
You know, it's a highway.
It's a highway.
It's gonna get us to point A to point B.
Point A to point B. And this is where we actually cruise to go to a lot of our stories. It's so, I was telling my mom, it's so weird that we drive on the highway though, because this is not a highway. Like, you know, you're from LA.
For me, it's a freeway. I only know freeways because they're free. And
okay, but I mean,
no,
like,
it makes sense. In New York, they're not free, right? In New York, you have to pay a lot of money.
no.
I've had to dish out a lot of money to ride on the highways and the tollways and the toll roads or toll house.
Yeah, but that's if you go across the bridge. That's just for the bridge.
No. Every single highway in California is free, which is why they call them freeways.
But can you believe this? Like the lack of traffic. Look at this, guys. This is a highway / freeway, and there's no traffic. Make your voice go as deep as it can go.
Okay, you first.
A big 1065.
1065.
Oh man, my voice goes deeper than yours.
No, it does not.
Go again. Go in.
What are we saying?
All right, we'll say, live in Dayton, Clancy Berg, Fox 45 News, do yours.
But I don't say Dayton right. Live in Dayton. Can't do it without like laughing.
Fine, say live in Cincinnati, say whatever.
Live in Dayton.
Are you kidding me?
Can't do it. Okay, live. Okay, you're just grilled.
My voice I can talk like this for days.
You should also go higher for sure, because you.
Oh yeah, hey guys! What's up?
Wow, but I can't believe your voice
Why?
doesn't
But
do
I can't
this.
believe, like, that's about what you do. Why?
About what you do. Why?
Like, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So,
Left here. Guys, we went skating and I'm almost home, so I suck.
and Clancy fell like 4 times.
No, actually, Rachel did fall once.
Once, just once. Until next time.
Until next time. This lighting is great. Hey guys, so I just got back from ice skating and it was actually so much fun. I really enjoyed it. I love doing things like that. Tonight is Friday, but I'm actually literally just going to stay home, chillax, probably honestly fall asleep not too long from now, which is sad because it's 5:30, but I'm exhausted. It's so weird because I go through my entire week, like everything is just flipped. Like I'm waking up at 2 o'clock in the morning. Like I get up in the middle of the night and then just like that for the weekend and just flip it all around. Like, and as a normal human being, I wake up a little bit later. But then the Monday comes again and I flip it back around. It's like, it's crazy. I wonder how much sleep I'll get tonight. Sometimes I just sleep like 12 hours because that's how exhausted I am. I'm gonna put some makeup away, but to be honest, like, it's just worth it when you're doing what you love. Like, not to sound cheesy, but like, oh my gosh, I don't know. I just feel so grateful. You know what I'm not grateful about? My foundation is about to run out and I just ordered new makeup and it's not coming until days from now, like 6 days. I don't know if I can last on this, which is crazy. Oh my gosh. There's like nothing in this bottle. I'm scared. First world problems, am I right? But kind of is a big deal with my job and I've never gone through a foundation that quickly. I got that like, I don't know, a few months ago and maybe in like July, I don't know. Normally like I go through foundation in like a year because I never ever wore a lot of, I will wear like a lot of makeup, but I didn't wear makeup often, like in college or high school. I never wore makeup at all unless I'm going out, you know, with friends or to a bar or something. This job though, I obviously wear makeup every day, which is something I'm totally not used to, and I'm going through makeup like that. But the cool thing with this job, or even just with my YouTube, who texted me, is that you get to write it off on your tax returns because it's part of like your job. Like I've always written off makeup on my tax return, so that's really cool. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm gonna go, but thank you guys so much for watching. I love you people and stay beautiful.